Oppo Reno renders show 2 cameras on rear rather than 3. Oppo is gearing up to launch the Oppo Reno, the first phone by its new Reno sub-brand, on April 10, and newly leaked images suggest it might only have 2 rear cameras. That's one fewer than many Chinese smartphone competitors. Renders leaked on a Chinese retail site, and picked up on by Msmart Price, show the Oppo Reno in a vibrant purple color, wielding 2 rear cameras and a large display, and with no front-facing camera to be seen. What 5G phones are we expecting in 2019? What new features will iOS 13 bring? This is everything we know about the Samsung Galaxy Fold. This absence of a front-facing camera likely means the Oppo Reno will have a pop-up selfie camera, a design that Oppo has used before with the Oppo Find X. The suggestion of a dual-camera setup on the rear has us wondering, however, as the latest phones from rival Chinese brands tend to have at least 3 cameras. The recently launched Huawei P30 has this many, and we're expecting the upcoming OnePlus 7 to have 3 as well. One possible explanation is that the render is of a specific model. We've heard rumor that Oppo will launch not 1 but 5 Reno smartphones, the Pro, Plus, Lite, Zoom and Youth. These will likely all sit at different price points to appeal to different audiences, and the dual lens we see in the render could indicate it's of a more basic model like the Lite or Zoom. Previously we'd heard that the Oppo Reno flagship will come with a 4,065 mAh battery, a Snapdragon 855 chipset and a 10x optical zoom camera. Whether that's the Pro or Plus, or whether this phone has a different name, isn't clear at this time, but we're expecting everything to be made clear on April 10 when Oppo launches its new range of phones. We'll be covering the launch of the Oppo Reno phone or phones, so stay tuned to Tech Radar for all the latest news, reviews and comparison pieces.